Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sync audio in Davinci Resolve. Open your clips in the media pool, select matching camera and audio files, then right-click and choose Auto Sync Audio by waveform or timecode. If automatic sync misses alignment, switch to the edit page and manually nudge clips while watching waveforms. Always play multiple sections to confirm consistent sync and lock or link clips to preserve timing before export. I walk through the two main auto sync methods and when to use each. Use waveform sync for clips with clear spikes and timecode sync when devices share matching timecode. Select your media pool clips, right-click, choose Auto Sync Audio, then pick waveform or timecode and allow Resolve to process. After syncing, inspect the edit timeline closely and be ready to refine any imperfect matches manually for reliable results. Manual syncing gives precise control when auto tools fail or for multi-camera shoots. Zoom in tightly, find a clear transient like a slate or clap, and nudge audio or video by single frames until waveforms align. Place markers on matching points and link clips so trimming or moving preserves sync. Check several points along the clip for consistent alignment and play back to confirm everything remains locked before exporting your final timeline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.